Hello, woodworking warriors and DIY dynamos. Today, we're about to slice through the competition and uncover the best circular saws on the market. These precision powerhouses are the heart of any workshop, whether you're crafting fine furniture or tackling home projects. Stay tuned as we rev up the blades, explore the top contenders, and help you make the perfect cut every time. Now, let's get started. Makita 5007 MG Circular Saw. The Makita 5007 MG Circular Saw is a remarkable tool designed for both durability and performance. Weighing just 10.6 pounds, it's lightweight and well-balanced, making it perfect for heavy-duty cutting tasks on the job site. At its core is a robust 15-amp industrial motor, delivering a potent 5,800 RPM for consistent and enduring performance. This saw offers a generous 2:1/2-inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees and versatile bevel options from 0 to 56 degrees, including positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees, making it suitable for various cutting tasks. Enhancing accuracy, it features two built-in LED lights that illuminate the cutting line, while the integrated dust blower keeps it clear for precise cuts. The convenience of a blade wrench attached to the saw expedites blade changes. Ideal for framing walls, floors, roofs, and various cutting tasks. This circular saw offers easy-to-read settings, oversized numbers, and ruler markings for user-friendly operation. Plus, it comes backed by a 1-year warranty, assuring reliability and peace of mind. DEWALT DCS 570B Circular Saw. The DEWALT DCS 570B cordless circular saw is a remarkable combination of power, portability, and precision. Featuring advanced brushless motor technology, it effortlessly achieves an impressive 5,500 RPM, maintaining speed even during demanding cuts and delivering an outstanding 330 crosscuts in 2x4 pine with a single battery charge. Its 7:1/4-inch blade enables a substantial 2:9/16-inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees, catering to a wide range of cutting applications. Furthermore, with a bevel capacity of up to 57 degrees, it offers enhanced versatility, perfect for angled cuts and various tasks. This circular saw is compact and lightweight, ensuring easy maneuverability, which is ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Backed by a reassuring 3-year limited warranty, this tool ensures both durability and long-lasting performance. Craftsman CMES 510 Circular Saw. The Craftsman CMES 510 Circular Saw is a powerhouse designed to make your cutting tasks effortless. It boasts a robust 15-amp motor that runs at an impressive 5,500 RPM, ensuring quick and efficient cuts. Equipped with a 7¼ inch 18T carbide tipped blade, it can effortlessly slice through materials up to 2 inches thick. The beveling shoe is adjustable up to 55 degrees and includes detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees for added convenience. Crafted with a magnesium shoe, this saw is not only durable but also lightweight, reducing user fatigue. Safety is a priority with its metal upper and lower guards, while the metal rafter hook adds practicality to storage. The contoured overmolded handle ensures a comfortable grip, ideal for extended use. With the added confidence of a 3-year limited warranty, this circular saw is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, delivering power, precision, and peace of mind. BLACKDECKER BDCS 300C Circular Saw. The BLACKDECKER BDCS 300C Circular Saw is a true workhorse for a variety of cutting tasks. Featuring a sturdy 13-amp motor, this circular saw combines power and precision, ensuring versatility across various applications. Designed with user comfort in mind, its lightweight construction minimizes muscle fatigue, ensuring you maintain control throughout your project. The integrated laser guide adds a layer of accuracy by illuminating the cut line, resulting in cleaner and more precise cuts. Achieving angled cuts up to 45 degrees is effortless, thanks to the convenient bevel adjustment feature. Changing the blade is quick and hassle-free, thanks to its spindle lock mechanism. Being corded means you have unlimited runtime for even the most extensive jobs. The package includes a circular saw blade and a wrench, and it's backed by a 2-year limited warranty, providing you with confidence in its performance. SKIL CR 540,602 Cordless Circular Saw. The SKIL CR 540,000 602 Cordless Circular Saw is a dream come true for DIY enthusiasts seeking precision and efficiency in their woodworking projects. Equipped with a thin curved carbide tip blade featuring 24 teeth, this saw effortlessly delivers clean and accurate cuts. To ensure your cuts stay on the mark, the integrated saw line visor keeps things straight, allowing you to achieve consistent precision. Plus, its bevel cutting capacity, ranging from 0 to 50 degrees, gives you the flexibility to tackle a variety of angles. The star of the show is the PWR Core 20 lithium battery, featuring an innovative temperature management system that keeps the battery cool and running longer, making it ideal for large projects. With the included 2.0 battery and charger, you're ready to dive into your projects right away. Supported by a solid 5-year limited warranty, this cordless circular saw is engineered for long-lasting performance, ensuring it's a trusted asset for any DIY enthusiast. Thank you for joining us in our exploration of the best circular saws. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and guidance in your search for the perfect circular saw to meet your cutting needs. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.